In this video, I'm going to show you how to track wallets on BullX Neo. So in case you don't have an account for BullX Neo yet, there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. You can just click that and then create an account, which will allow you to open it even though you may be on the waitlist. So from then on, once you're logged in and you have your account created on BullX Neo, you just want to hover over this left panel over here and then click on Wallet Tracker. From here, as you can see, top right, it says add wallet. You just want to click add wallet and put in your wallet name and your wallet address. So we're going to do example wallet over here for this example. And in wallet address, I'm going to paste in a random address. Of course, you should paste in the address you would like to track. And then after that, click add wallet. And as you can see, it's now been added over here inside the wallet tracker is a new wallet I added a few seconds ago. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.